Have you ever wondered where we humans really came from? People often say humans came from apes, but the truth is far more fascinating and backed by real science. Stay till the end, because the story of how we became us might surprise you. Around 7 million years ago, in the heart of Africa, lived a creature that was neither ape nor human, but something in between. Scientists call it Sahelanthropus chadensis. Its skull, discovered in Chad, is nearly 7 million years old, and the position of its neck bone shows it could stand upright. That simple act, standing on 2 feet, changed everything. As the forests of Africa turned to open grasslands, some species had to adapt. Walking upright freed their hands to carry food, protect their young, and eventually to make tools. It was evolution's most powerful move. Then came a small, extraordinary species, Australopithecus afarensis. Among them lived the most famous ancestor we've ever found, Lucy, discovered in Ethiopia in 1974. Lucy was only about 3.5 feet tall, but her bones revealed something incredible. She could walk upright, just like us. Even stronger proof came from Lake Toli, Tanzania, where scientists found footprints preserved for 3.6 million years in volcanic ash. 2 early humans walking side by side, the oldest footprints ever found of our kind. If this moment fascinates you, hit the like button. It helps this story reach more curious minds. Millions of years later appeared Homo habilis, the handyman. They lived about 2.4 million years ago, and for the first time, they made tools. At Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania, archaeologists discovered Oldowan stone tools, proof that human intelligence had begun to awaken. Then came Homo erectus around 1.8 million years ago. Taller, stronger, smarter, they controlled fire, hunted in groups, and migrated far beyond Africa. Fossils like Jama Man in Indonesia and Peking Man in China prove that humans had started to explore the world. If you love learning how our species spread across Earth, don't forget to subscribe. More untold human stories are on the way. And then, about 300,000 years ago, appeared Homo sapiens. Us, with larger brains and deeper emotions, we began to create art, language, and meaning. The oldest known Homo sapiens fossils, found in Jebel Irhad, Morocco, date back more than 315,000 years. And in the caves of France and Indonesia, ancient paintings tell us that imagination had finally evolved. So, did humans really come from apes? Not exactly. Humans and apes are like distant cousins, both branches of the same ancient family tree. We share that ancestor who took the first step toward becoming human. From Sahelanthropus, who stood, to Australopithecus, who walked, to Homo habilis, who thought, to Homo erectus, who explored, and finally to Homo sapiens, who dreamed. Every fossil, every footprint, every tool is a clue, a reminder that our story began in the dust of Africa and led us all the way here, asking the same question: who are we and where are we going next? If this journey moved you, share it with someone who loves history and subscribe for the next chapter, The First Human on Earth.